What is medium format's best kept secret? Let's take a look at the results, starting with the 150mm f4 lens, 85mm full frame equivalent. This lens has fantastic separation. The compression, the contrast and the clarity of the lens perform really well. Now the 100mm f3.5, the standard lens for this camera. Even when shot wide open, this lens performs incredibly well, providing the perfect middle ground between telephoto and wide angle lenses. The 65mm f4 lens, a 33mm full frame equivalent, my personal favourite. It's strange, I'm always drawn to this lens, and I can't quite pinpoint why. There's something about its field of view. It's wider than most standard and telephoto lenses, but not too wide to the point where everything feels like a landscape. The lens provides so much context in each composition. This lens has everything going for it. Its clarity, its sharpness, and the way it renders contrast. It's rare that I don't like a photo I've taken on this lens. In a studio, on the streets, the 65mm lens is incredibly versatile. The 50mm f4.5, a 24mm full frame equivalent. This is the newest lens in my collection. So far it's proved to be quite sharp. The vignetting isn't too heavy, and I'm looking forward to using it more in the future. Bronica's first and only 6x7 medium format camera, the Bronica GS1. Pretty much everything is interchangeable. The viewfinder, the focusing screen, even the way you advance the film. Everything can be tailored to your shooting style. The combination of the hand grip and the prism finder allow me to be as versatile as possible while shooting. Whether I'm on set, walking around town, this camera provides me with everything I need to shoot the compositions I want. And to take photos that mean something to me. Join me next time for more film photography.